Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to go and replace the bulbs in three of our most popular lights, which is our PL Path Light, the RS Uplight, and the WS Wash Light. Hey guys, so when you get your PL Path Light, the one thing you're going to want to do, even before you put it in the ground, just check, because sometimes during shipping the bulb comes out, so you just want to make sure if it's not working, that bulb is properly inside the socket. But to check that is real simple. I mean, they're basically the top cap here. It just screws right on or right off. So you're going to get the light like this. You just screw off that top cap. Just make sure you hold the base, because sometimes this will unscrew with it. Open that up and then you can see the bulb in, and very simple, you just either pop that bulb out if it's burnt out, if it's been a few years, or just check that it's still in there. But basically all it is a simple G4 or T3 LED light bulb that fits in there with two sockets. 90% of the time, any path and garden light that you're going to have for landscape lighting is going to take some form of a G4 or a T3 lamp. If it doesn't, because maybe it has a different base on it, then you're going to have to do some digging. But nine times out of 10, you're either looking for a G4 or T3 LED bulb with two prongs on it that just fits in there, and that top goes right back on, screws tight, nice and waterproof, and you're all set. Now I'll show you how to go and change the bulb in your RS Uplight. So for your RS Uplight, it's really simple. Again, same thing, when you get your light, make sure and just check that bulb is properly in there, but it's pretty simple. There's this top shroud piece that basically just twists off. It's got a rubber seal, so that's what keeps it waterproof. Once that cover is off, all you have to do is pull up on the bulb, and then you simply just pull out your MR16 bulb. 9 out of 10 times, again, your uplights are going to take a simple MR16 LED bulb that looks something like this. That includes most of your in-ground and your well lights are going to take that same kind of bulb. So if you need to replace it or you need to check it, that's all you have to do. Take off that top shroud. Some lights will have a little set screw you might have to loosen before you can take off that top shroud. Luckily, this one doesn't. Take your new bulb, just basically place it right back in your socket, slap it down, and then you just throw your shroud back on top. And there you have it. You've got a brand new bulb in there. And the same thing goes if you have an old halogen fixture that just takes a simple bulb like that, you can swap that halogen bulb out for an LED MR16 lamp, and you can convert that from halogen to LED. Alright guys, so here's an example of a wash light. Same thing, you can kind of see inside here, it takes a T3 LED lamp. Most wash lights are either going to take a T3 LED lamp or an MR16 lamp, but usually it's pretty simple. You can either see they'll have two set screws here, that this one comes with its own Allen key. If not, you can use any Allen key set to open this up, pull the shroud off, and change that bulb. Or sometimes they'll have like a set screw or something underneath or over top, but that's how you go change the bulb in most wash lights out there, depending on the brand and model. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and it gave you some good tips. Be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more great landscape lighting tips, as well as go check us out at lightingdoctor.ca to access all our free tools and resources.